Hi, my name is Thomas. Today I want to show you how to use the Park Systems clip-type chip carrier for mounting AFM probes into the Park Systems AFM. What you need is a clip-type chip carrier which is delivered in a small plastic box, and if you take the clip-type chip carrier out, it is a small metal plate with a spring mounted onto it. To load a probe into it, you need a special tool which is called cantilever exchanger. If you do not have these tools, please contact your local Park Systems representative and ask for the clip-type chip carrier and the corresponding cantilever exchanger.
Let's go! For handling of probes, we recommend using ESD safety measures as an ESD safety mat and wristband. We start by taking the clip carrier out of the box. The carrier must be placed into the cantilever exchanger tool. To open the tool, loosen the screw and flip the lid. Place the clip carrier into the pocket of the cantilever exchanger. Take care to align the carrier in the pocket. Close the lid and tighten the screw. The lid presses down the clip carrier and the spring is opened for loading. Now we can pick the AFM probe out of its box by using sharp tweezers. Take care not to damage the gel when lifting the probe. Place the probe onto the loading area of the cantilever exchanger tool marked with white lines. Slide the probe gently into the open clip carrier as far as the pocket of the carrier allows. Don't touch the cantilever side of the probe. Loosen the screw to clamp the probe in the carrier and open the lid. Now you can take out the mounted probe and place the carrier into the probe hand of your Park Systems AFM.
Thanks for watching this video. If you have further questions about AFM probes, please have a look into our website nanosensors.com or feel free to ask questions via info@nanosensors.com.